Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, March the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number I believe 8229. 8229. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Well, could be an hard one. We'll see. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then double O here one, there one, double O here one, there one, double O here one, there one, double one here no, there no, double O here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, double one here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here one, there one, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Then, double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double one here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. Well, this one is real quick to solve without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.